Welcome to the 2026 Comprehensive Guide to PC Optimization and Maintenance. This video will explain how to improve the speed, privacy, and performance of your computer. Over time, computers accumulate digital baggage. Operating systems create many temporary files that consume valuable storage space and can compromise drive efficiency. PC cleaners and system optimizers remove redundant data, revitalizing computer speed. They are designed to delete unneeded files safely, ensuring system stability. These tools target four main types of files: temporary files from short-term system tasks, browser cache, system logs, and registry entries from broken links left by uninstalled software. A comprehensive cleaner acts like a multi-tool. It provides junk file removal, startup optimization, privacy protection by wiping tracking cookies, and deep uninstallation of leftover folders. A variety of PC optimization tools exist, including official options like Microsoft PC Manager, third-party solutions such as CCleaner, and open-source software like BleachBit. Choose a tool that fits your need. Microsoft PC Manager changed the optimization landscape, offering a safe, official alternative. The health check feature is especially useful for simplifying maintenance for beginners. Some third-party cleaners are criticized as bloatware, consuming more system resources than they save. Built-in tools like Windows Storage Sense handle the majority of maintenance efficiently. Registry cleaning rarely boosts computer speed, as Windows 10 and 11 manage registries efficiently. Deleting incorrect keys can cause severe system instability, so proceed with caution. Beware of scareware. This malicious software uses urgent countdown timers and fake infection warnings to trick users into demanding payment for non-existent fixes. To stay safe, only download software from official websites, reject programs that use high-pressure sales tactics, and check permissions to block unwanted partner toolbars. Remember that software cannot fix hardware limitations. If you have an old hard disk drive, consider upgrading your RAM and switching to solid-state drives for a permanent speed increase. Establish a regular maintenance schedule. Run Windows Storage Sense weekly, use PC Manager or CCleaner monthly for deep scanning, and quarterly review startup apps in the Task Manager. PC cleaners are essential for maintaining a healthy digital environment. Understand the capabilities and limitations of your chosen software. Remember, a clean PC is a fast PC. Thank you for watching this video. We encourage you to review your PC optimization routines and ensure your system is running at its best.